Hello, I'm Andre from Schaknat Electronic GmbH, and today I'm going to show you how to optimize a truck using the Schaknat Electronic App. In most cases, you'll receive this box from us by mail. Here we have the OBD2 adapter, the new ECU Connect, along with a QR code for the instructional videos. If you ordered it from our online shop or had your vehicle optimized directly with us on site, you'll receive this small box. Inside, you'll find the Schaknat dongle. To access the Schaknat app, you need to log in. For this, we need all your details, your email address and your company address or your private address if applicable. Once you've provided us with that information, you can download the Schaknat app, download the electronics app. To log in, we need a TAN. Log in with TAN. To do this, tap on Request TAN at the top right. Click on it once and then you'll see it already. Enter your email address. For this, we need the email address you provided to us. I'll just enter my email here. And then I press Send Request. After I've filled that out, of course, I check my emails. It arrives within 10 seconds. Here, the 10 has already arrived. Then I'll just copy it here and go back to the Schaknat app. Then I simply paste it in here and bam, I'm in my account. That's just a security feature. So now we already have all the information here. I've already optimized a few trucks. You can see them down here. But since we want to optimize a cool scanner here now, I'll show you the process. To ensure a safe optimization, we'll turn off the lights, the air conditioning and the radio. To start the optimization, we turn on the ignition and then in the Scania, go down to the footwell and plug the Schaknat OBD dongle into the OBD port. Now we can get started. To do this, we don't click down here on My Vehicles, even if your vehicle is already listed there. Instead, to ensure an optimization, we have to click up here on Scania. Let's click on it. Now the adapter connects automatically and notifies us that it wants to be updated. That's because we're simply using very modern systems. And the processor in this small adapter can sometimes have vulnerabilities. Maybe it has some, and this is how we find and eliminate them. To do this, we press OK. Then we go up to the gear icon and we can already see Connection, Vanilla Connect. Here we can perform an update. The update was successful. Now I'll show you another cool feature. Down here we can see the customer's company details. That means when you log in, customer XY will see their email address down here, which is also stored, and can log out of an app at any time from down here as well. For example, the driver has logged in, wants to make some changes, and then should log out again so that only the fleet manager, for instance, has access to the vehicle. Then you just click down here. Now that we've finished the update, we can minimize this. And then click here on Scania. The vehicle will then connect and the app will pull all the relevant data out. Now we can already see, please, complete the vehicle information. That means entering the license plate and vehicle type. We click on the red one, then on the license plate and enter the license plate number. And the vehicle, here we have a nice R500. Confirm that and then just swipe down here. Now we have red check marks here. Red check marks mean that you need a license for this vehicle. You can buy it from us, just call us or send us a message on WhatsApp. We're always available. I'm going to activate a license for myself now and then we'll see green check marks. After you've contacted us, just swipe down once. Now we can already see, okay, we can start. Now we click on the engine control unit. Yes, assign license. This license is now basically linked to the vehicle. Now we can click on the engine control unit again and now we have the options Flash Original, Flash Eco and Flash Power. The app is very intelligent and we want to offer you the best service. Accordingly, it checks all the important information in the background. Which transmission, which engine, how does the customer drive, how are the adaptation runs? Is the customer hauling 40 tons of bananas or maybe working on a construction site, or does he have a Palfinger crane, so to speak? A power takeoff and therefore a completely different type of work assignment. We tailor this individually. Every customer is operating in local transport, driving a tanker truck, and accordingly, we have also stored a special version for him under Flash Power. Now, with just one click, we can simply select Flash Power here. Here we have a comfortable 600 horsepower. The app also reminds us to turn off the air conditioning and unnecessary electrical consumers, and most importantly, not to make phone calls during the process. Then we fill this out once and start the optimization. This process takes about 1.5 minutes with a Scania, about 3 minutes with a Mercedes, and with a Volvo it can be done in 30 seconds. We have now optimized the engine. Now, of course, we also want to adjust the transmission. We offer the option here To optimize the transmission as well, either reset it to the original, set it to eco, or to power. In this case, we want an eco transmission optimization because the truck is now quite powerful and can easily hold the higher gears for a long time. This way, we want a transmission tuning for lower RPMs. For that, we simply select eco, but I recommend that you just try it out for yourself to see what suits you best. Because every driver is unique and every vehicle is unique as well. The transmission adjustment is done in no time. The transmission is already programmed now. Now the shifting is improved. When downshifting, we use rev matching. And what's also pretty cool is that when starting off with a lot of weight, we press the clutch against the flywheel in a pulsing manner. This basically reduces wear and significantly improves the response or maneuvering behavior. We also offer the option to read and clear error codes. How does that work? For that, we simply click on DTCs up here on the right on diagnostic trouble codes. Now the app pulls up all the control units installed in the vehicle so that we can read out the error memory from them right away. Here we now have all the control units listed, including the engine control unit, tachograph control unit, audio system, etc. And now we can either select a specific control unit directly or read out all error memories at the very bottom. Now we're reading out all the error memories. There we go. Now we have everything listed here that the Scania has stored. Among them are also many inactive errors. Now we can clear all the error memories down here at once. Of course, active errors will remain. No more errors, just the way we wanted. Cool feature. This way, you can easily help yourself when you're on the road. That way, you don't always have to go straight to the workshop, and of course, you also save time and money. Back to the main menu, load the vehicle. Now we have our vehicles listed below all three vehicles. Scania up here on the 28th June, we did the power optimization and the eco optimization in the transmission. TMS is that, so the transmission. Let's go back to the main menu. That was basically the optimization already. If you have any questions, you are always welcome to send us an email or a WhatsApp, or even better, just give us a call. We're always available and can quickly answer any questions. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful and answered all your questions. If not all your questions were answered, you can always call or contact us. The phone number and contact details are all on the back. In case of emergency, just call Peter or me directly or send an email. Of course, you are also welcome to contact us in English, especially if you are from abroad. And until then, I'd say see you next time. Stay tuned.